Hey guys, I'm here today with another quick tutorial on how to properly clean your lace. I like to start off with alcohol. This breaks up the bond with any adhesive or product you use to adhere your lace. And you want to just continue to gently scrub all of the old adhesive or product residue that is left on your lace. Now you can use a toothbrush or an edge brush, which we do have available for purchase at the hair closet. Now after you've lifted majority of the product, we are ready for our next step. Now this step is key. You want to make sure you thoroughly cleanse your lace. I'm not talking a quick rinse off. You have to thoroughly get in there and make sure we have no adhesive or any product residue left. Now making sure your lace is all the way clean and free of any residue and adhesive is very important. This can make or break your final install. Now here are the final results. Your install should be free of any residue or buildup. Your lace should lay flat and seamlessly. My client featured is wearing our studio lace. This is some of the best lace I've worked with ever, hands down. It's the reinstall for me. Thanks for watching.